Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from AIME. We have x square plus y square equal to 7 and x cube plus y cube equal to 10. We are going to calculate the largest value of x plus y. So let's get started by writing. This would be equation 1 and here we can write equation 2. Now we will use our substitution. So let us say sum x plus y equal to S. Product xy equal to P. So our substitutions are x plus y is sum S, xy is product P. Now I will use one algebraic formula x plus y whole square, which we know this is equal to x square plus y square plus 2 times xy. So in place of xy we can put P. In place of x square plus y square, we will use equation number 1 and write 7. In place of x plus y, we will use our substitution sum s. So we can write equation s square equal to 7 plus 2p. Now we will subtract 7 from both the sides. So we will write minus 7, minus 7. So plus and minus 7 will be over from right hand side. We will get s square minus 7 equal to 2p. Now we have to divide both sides by 2. So I will write s square minus 7 over 2 and 2p over 2. So 2 and 2 from RHS, it will be over. We will get p equal to s square minus 7 over 2. Let's say this is our equation number 3. Now we will use another algebraic formula x cube plus y cube. So we can write equal to x plus y in one bracket times x square plus y square minus xy. Now in place of x cube plus y cube, we will write 10 as per equation number 2. X plus y is s. X square plus y square equation 1 value is 7. X times y, this is equal to p. So I can write 10 equal to s times 7 minus p. Now we will utilize our equation number 3. P equal to s square minus 7 over 2. So let us put over here. We will write 10 equal to s times 7 minus s square minus 7 over 2. Now we will take LCM. Let me write this equation here. 10 equal to s times in the bracket 7 minus s square minus 7 over 2. So we will take LCM and write s times 14 minus s square minus 7 over 2. Let us expand the bracket. We will get 14 minus s square plus 7 in the numerator, and in the denominator it is 2. Or we can write s times 21 minus s square over 2. This is equal to 10. Now we will multiply our equation by 2 both sides so that RHS denominator will get over. So LHS will become 20. RHS is s times 21 minus s square, or I can write 21s minus s cube. This is equal to 20. Now take all the terms to LHS. So we will get equation s cube minus 21s plus 20 equal to 0. S cube minus 21s plus 20 equal to 0. Now if I will plug in s equal to 1, it will satisfy our equation. So let us split minus 21s as minus s minus 20s. So addition of these two will give us minus 21s. Then we have plus 20 equal to 0. Now we are going to factor. So from first two terms, we can take s common. So in the bracket, we will get s square minus 1. From last two terms, minus 20 is common. So in the bracket, we are going to get s minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use difference of two squares formula here. Let me write formula first. A square minus b square. This is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So I can write equation s times s plus 1 times s minus 1 minus 20 times s minus 1 equal to 0. Now s minus 1 is common. So we can take s minus 1 common out. So in other bracket, we are going to write s times s plus 1 minus 20 equal to 0. Now we can write s minus 1 times s square plus s minus 20 equal to 0. Now we can apply product 0 rule. So we can write two equations. Either s minus 1 equal to 0 or s square plus s minus 20 equal to 0. Let me write here. So either s minus 1 equal to 0 or s square plus s minus 20 equal to 0. So from our first equation, we will get s equal to 1. Our x plus y value, first x plus y value. Now we are going to solve this quadratic equation. So I will use method of factorization, as we can see the factors of 20 as 5 times 4. So I can split our middle term 1s as 5s minus 4s. So s square plus 5s minus 4s, which is equal to 1s or s minus 20 equal to 0. Now we will take s common from first two terms. So we will get s plus 5 in the bracket, minus 4 is common from last two terms. We will get s plus 5 in the bracket equal to 0. Now s plus 5 is overall common. So in other bracket, we are going to write s minus 4 equal to 0. Now we will apply product 0 rule once again, and we can write either s plus 5 equal to 0 or s minus 4 equal to 0. So from this equation, we will get s equal to negative 5. And from here, we can write s equal to 4. Now we have 3x plus y value. X plus y is s. So 1, negative 5, 4. So we have to find out the largest x plus y value. So largest x plus y equal to 4. Minus 5 is the smallest one. And then we have 1 and the largest one is 4. So we will write our answer, largest x plus y or largest s value equal to 4. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.